I'm going to do one more request for Deli, solving a quadratic equation using factoring. On this one right here, I have an x squared once again, so I need to get everything on, everything needs to be on the same side and then a 0 on the other side. So let's get rid of the x and the -5 by subtracting x. Just line up the like terms, and then by adding 5. And once again, lining those up. All right, 12x minus invisible 1x is 11x. I'm going to go ahead and put that 5x squared in the front. And then I'm going to take -3 plus 5 and make that a +2. That equals 0. So now everything's on the left side and it's in standard form. My A is 5, my B is 11, and my C is 2. You may have to go back to Algebra 1, Chapter 7.6 in that area to see these videos, more examples of these videos and how I'm doing this. Since there is a number in front of my x squared, I'm going to use the tic-tac but no toe box method to factor. So that A times C goes in this top box here, so 5 times 2 is 10. The B goes in this bottom box, and that's 11. And the factors of 10 are 1 and 10 and 2 and 5. So write everything that multiplies to give me 10, and then I'll look over here and see which one can make an 11 when added or subtracted, and 10 and 1 can be added to make 11. All right, so I'm going to write 10 and 1 in either box, it doesn't matter. All right, and I'm going to look at the signs. They're both going to be the same. If this is positive, that means they're both the same as each other. They're both going to be positive. So both of these are pluses. Now you take your A and you put it over one of the answers, and you must reduce it. So that's going to be 1/2. When you get it reduced, circle it because it's ready to be turned into a binomial. That will be 1x plus 2. All right, and then I'm going to take the 5 and I'm going to put it over the 1. And he's already simplified, so I'm going to leave him like that is, and that's going to be 5x plus 1. So the top number goes in front of x, and then the bottom number is going to be the constant part of the binomial. So I factored that. Now we're going to set these equal to 0 using the zero product property and solve it. So if x plus 2 is 0, x will be -2. And if 5x plus 1 is 0, I would subtract 1 from each side and divide by 5. So I would end up with x equals -1/5. So your answers are -2 or -1/5. Go back and look at those videos that I made before if you need to see extra help.